How to log in RushCard online account. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to log into your RushCard online account. RushCard offers a convenient and secure way to manage your finances on the go. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access your account. So let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, you can type login RushCard online and hit enter. From the search results, you can click on the official login RushCard IO link. You'll be directed to the login page of the web page. Here, you can enter your name and password. If you'd like to stay logged in, you can tick right on Remember Me button. Once your information is entered, you can tap on Login button to access your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can simply register by following the prompts provided. On the login page, you'll also find other helpful links such as Forget Password to recover your password that you have forgotten and Login with Discord options too for alternative login options. And there you have it. This was everything you needed to know about logging into your RushCard online account. I hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.